Hello mga ka-Onyx, welcome to my vlog. Good morning everyone. Today is the first day of October, which is the celebrations of the Cooperative Month. So particularly, the group at St. Anthony Cooperative celebrate Co-op Months. So meron kitang nahanda na mga snacks sa ato mga regular members. So puntahan natin yung snacks. Next ay ang prepare ng Gubat St. Anthony Cooperative sa ating mga regular member owner, Kanchisa. So, tingnan nyo po ang ating mga na-prepare na snacks. So, yan ang mga na-prepare nating snacks for our regular member. Okay? Happy Co-op Month! Ayan mga ka-Ginsa, maraming pong salamat. Today is a celebration kang Gubat St. Anthony Cooperative as the month of Co-op Month today of October. So yan po ang ating mga regular member owner, kaway-kaway. Hi! Happy Co-op Month!
Ang isang mamaya!